Bats are the only mammals capable of true flight, making them incredibly unique. With over 400 species worldwide, they represent about 20% of all mammals. These fascinating creatures thrive in diverse environments, from caves to bridges. They play a vital role in our ecosystems. Just think about it. Insect-eating bats can devour thousands of mosquitoes in a single night, protecting our crops and reducing disease spread. And fruit bats? They're essential pollinators and seed spreaders, especially in tropical regions. Plus, their echolocation abilities are remarkable. They use high-frequency sounds to navigate and hunt in complete darkness. Contrary to popular belief, bats aren't blind. They have great eyesight, too. Sadly, their populations are declining due to habitat loss and diseases. Protecting bats is crucial for a balanced ecosystem.